Hello everyone and welcome to another DIY projects video on the Axel Dayton channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make 6 awesome audio panels that can hang up on your wall, and they make your sound quality way better. Let's get into it. However, before I show you how to make these audio panels, I need to tell you why I made them. It all started back when I was still in the 8th grade, and since it's Corona time, we had to do Zoom calls for class. And I noticed that in a lot of my classmates' rooms, there was a ton of echo. Now, mine already isn't that bad due to my room also being a studio. However, I noticed that my audio had a little bit of echo. So, that's where the idea was born. After a bit of research, I came across DIY Perks, who used a very similar technique of putting insulation in a box and then putting a nice cover over the edge to give it that nice audio quality. However, mine are quite a bit cheaper since they don't use aluminum and fabric. Instead, they use duct tape and a 3D printer. So, now let's jump into how I built it. For this project, I 3D printed 6 hexagons with a diameter of 200 millimeters. These hexagons are 1 inch thick, or 25 millimeters. And for your information, if you want to print these out yourself, there will be a Thingiverse file down in the description below. First, you're going to want to grab a Sharpie and trace out the shape of the polygon. Next, you can grab some scissors or a knife and you can cut out the foam. Be very careful with the sharp blades though. Next, you're going to insert your foam into your polygon and make sure it's pressed in firmly. If you put it in tight enough, with a little shake, it should not come out. Then you're going to grab your thinner foam and you're going to trace out the outside of the polygon onto it and then cut it out with the same scissors that you used before. And it should fit nicely on top of your polygon once fully cut out. Then you're going to want to grab your duct tape and get a strand about 1/3 the size of a full strand tape, and then apply it gently to the side and top of the foam. Repeat this on all sides. Then you should end up with something like this. Then you're going to want to grab a full strand of duct tape, the same width as the side of a polygon. You're going to want to put it parallel to each side and press it firmly, then repeat on all 6 sides. Then you should end up with something like this. Then you want to flip your box over, and then you're going to apply one of these Velcro hanging things that you can find at your local hardware store, and they have the sticky backs to them. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take only one out of the pack of 6, and you're going to put it on the back side of the polygon, and your final result should look something like this. Then repeat this 5 more times. Then, once you've completed doing all 6, you're going to grab the other half of the Velcro, you're going to apply it to the first side, and then you're going to take off the adhesive. This will ensure that when you place it on the wall, there will be no error for where you want it to go. Once you have placed in all 6 of these panels, your studio should look something like this. This is what my room sounded like without the panels, and this is what my room sounds like with the panels installed. Now, I know a lot of you who have much bigger budgets and quite a bit more building experience than me could make audio panels that are way better, sound quality wise and visually wise, but I really enjoyed this project and I hope you did too. If you like the video, consider subscribing, sharing to some friends, or even commenting down below what you think I should build in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.